Hello guys, this is a video on how to generate your table annual report in the new interface. We had released a video earlier using the old interface, but now let's get to the new one. First and foremost, please make sure that you open the dashboard only through the Google Chrome browser for now. After entering the Roundtable India website, click on dashboard, enter your credentials. So this is the new interface. To start working on your annual report, click on minutes, annual report. This is how the template will look. Annual report 22-23. Enter the number of tablers who were inducted in tabling year 22-23, your date of charter, your sponsor table will be automatically populated here, your number of honorary tablers for the year 22-23. So total number of active tablers as on 30th June 2023. Total number of meetings held from 1st of July 2022 to 30th of June 2023. So please make sure your AGM is also a part of this total number of meetings. Enter your chairman message, your outgoing chairman message. After you enter, you can enter his photo through this. Click on this and enter a photo. Same thing for the secretary message. Once you type your secretary message, click on this and enter a good photo. This will be all your past chairman of your table. You can enter any number of data till your charter date. Your attendance will be auto populated as per your last minutes. You can type in your notice and agenda for your AGM, the upcoming AGM, which where you're going to present this annual report. Your executive board, your chairman, IPC, VC, secretary, treasurer names. You can, it'll be the scroll down where you can select your conveners for that particular year, 22-23, your table conveners. The incoming chairman, where he'll be taking over at that particular AGM. So he'll be the chairman of 23-24. His executive board to be entered, all the executive board of the table, his conveners for the table for that particular year. These are the reports that will be auto generated as per your 25 minutes or 24 minutes that you've already entered. If in case you have completed an event after your last meeting minutes and not filed as event, you can click on that particular facet. Say suppose you want to enter a fellowship that you had done after your last meeting, so just click plus, enter all the details and click save and proceed, so that this gets added to your annual report. Awards and recognition that you've got in your area AGM, NAGM, all the recognitions in the 4 quarters that you have got from the national, you can enter all the details here. So our table secretary has already entered this. The retirements, the tablers who are retiring in this particular AGM. So please make sure you give a nice fancy report about them, the name, a few fancy wordings about them, their achievements they have done in the past years, the total number of years, and click on this to upload a nice photo of them. So make sure you remember all your retirements, collect data and enter about them. Treasure report, the balances, the closing balances, and any other data he wanted the treasurer wants to communicate to the table at the AGM. You can enter here. Click this to enter all your balance sheets, which is very mandatory. Most of the tables do submit their balance sheets in the AGM. So make sure you enter all this so that it comes as a part of your annual report. Any auditor discussions, the name of the auditor that has been proposed and seconded during the your table AGM, the start of the year, can be mentioned here. The secretary can give a nice thank you message here. And if in case you have any table rules which are already existing, so please mention this here. Once done, please click save. This will take quite some time, so please make sure you have some patience. Again, preview. It takes its own sweet time based on the number of reports it has to generate, because a few tables have few reports to be generated. Few tables have more than 100 reports to be generated in all facets. So please make sure you wait on that. So this is how your annual report will look. All the entered data will be here. It takes its own time to auto generate, auto populate. See, All the fellowship events will be together. Please keep scrolling down slowly and wait for it to upload, download all the reports. So after your projects, your community services, everything populates. So this takes this much of time. So we thought we'll explain this on the video itself so that you'll be aware of it. Your publicity data, your IR data, any other convenience you have entered, the awards and recognition that you have entered, the retirement data, the treasury reports, or whatever you have entered. So click on generate PDF. Sometimes you might be lucky that it generates a PDF and gives you a PDF file. If not, please make sure you press Control P. Your entire documents gets loaded. Click Save as PDF. See, this has been generated as so many all the pages. So save this as PDF and click on Save so that all your data will be set. You can click on Margins Remove. That is it. Any doubts, please do post it to your AST or NS so that they'll be able to solve. Thank you very much, guys.